Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time tuning in, I'm Lillian, and today I want to share with you my transformation into going plastic free. When I first decided to go plastic free, I knew it would be a big change, and I started by getting bigger recycling bins for metal, plastic, and glass, and another one for paper and cardboard. But then I ran into a problem. What do I do with my food waste? I was used to using plastic garbage bags from the supermarket and just throwing them in the dumpster, and I knew that this was now not going to work. So I did what any determined person would do. I went online and found recyclable bags made of vegetable fibers, and I decided to make my own little compost container. Sounds good, right? Nope, it was a total disaster. I put the recycling bag in an old storage box and lined the bottom with a recyclable puppy pad in case of leaks. I even stuffed paper towels inside to absorb moisture, but let me tell you, composting this way was a nightmare. The bag was always soggy with food scraps, leaking everywhere, and oh my God, the fruit flies. In the summertime, it got so bad, I had to stick the whole compost bag in the refrigerator just to keep the flies away. That's when I knew I needed a real solution. So going back to the drawing board and heading back online, I found the AIRNEX collapsible compost bin, and let me tell you, it was a game changer. First off, no more smells. The built-in activated charcoal filter absorbs odors, so my kitchen stays fresh. No more fruit flies. Unlike my messy DIY setup, this bin actually seals, keeping those little buggers out. No more soggy disasters. It's leak-proof and dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Plus, using it, oh, so easy. I store it on my portable kitchen island, which is a much prettier setup, and it even collapses down to 1/3 its size when I'm not using it, so I can tuck it away in the island drawer. Or if I ever want to slow down composition, I can even store it in the freezer. Composting is an incredible way to reduce waste and contribute to a healthier planet, and here's why. Food waste is a major problem. It makes up nearly 30% of what we throw away, and most of it ends up in landfills. But here's the catch. When food scraps are in a landfill, they don't break down properly because there's not enough oxygen. Instead, they produce methane, a gas that's 25 times more potent than CO2. Now you might be wondering why CO2 is a big deal. Well, CO2 is the main greenhouse gas that contributes to global warming. It traps heat in the atmosphere, and when there's too much of it, it warms up the planet, leading to climate change, rising sea levels, and extreme weather patterns. While methane doesn't last as long in the atmosphere as CO2, it does far more damage in a shorter period of time. This leads to rising global temperatures, which cause even more extreme weather patterns like hurricanes, wildfires, and droughts. Plus, as the planet warms, frozen methane stored in Arctic permafrost could be released, creating a dangerous feedback loop that accelerates climate change even further. That's why reducing methane emissions like composting food scraps instead of sending them to landfills is such a crucial step in protecting our planet. But here's the good news. By composting, you're turning food waste into nutrient-rich soil that can be used to grow plants. Not only does this reduce waste, but also helps to improve soil health and biodiversity. Okay, so I know that some of you are thinking the same that I was. I live in an apartment. I don't have a garden or outdoor space. What do I do with my compost? You can find a local compost drop-off like I did. Many cities have community composting programs where you can drop off your food scraps at local farmers markets, community gardens, or composting sites. Just ask around or check local gardening groups on social media, and then just store your compost in the freezer and drop it off when it's full. Check for curbside compost pickups. Some cities offer compost collection services just like trash and recycling pickups. So if you've been struggling with going plastic-free and composting like I was, the AIRNEX bin is a must-have, and seriously, no more flies, no more mess, no more smelly kitchen, just clean, easy composting. If you want to grab one for yourself, I dropped the link in the description. And if you're already composting, let me know in the comments what system you use. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more wellness tips and healthy living solutions. Thank you for joining me on this journey of transformation. Remember, every small change we make can have a big impact. Going plastic-free and composting isn't just about reducing waste. It's about changing our mindset and feeling a deeper connection to the world around us. By being mindful of what we eat and throw away, we can make choices that reflect our values and protect our environment for future generations. Let's keep inspiring each other to create a healthier, more sustainable world. Together, we can make a difference.